So this is how to use this induction stove. This is a turn on button. Then you choose, you have two cookers right here, the bigger and the smaller. I'll use this time the bigger one. You choose right here the position of it, and then you choose the temperature. Maximum temperature is 9, minimum is 1. As well, if previously someone pressed the lock button, the stove may be locked, so we'll try to do that way too. So let's say if it's locked, we have an LO right here, which means locked. We hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds and this oil unlocked. Then you turn it on and you start using it. As well, you cannot use non-magnetic pans. So use the ones that are provided here. Sometimes you have to play a little bit until the stove will detect the magnet from the pan.
And you know it's working if the light or the number is steady, just like that.
Yeah, steady number right now is working, and you can hear the noise from the stove.